Looking for reliable Louisville commercial cleaning services? At U.S. Janitorial Services, we're here to ensure your business stays clean, safe, and welcoming every day. Whether you run an office, retail store, or large commercial facility, we customize our cleaning solutions to fit your unique needs. Our team uses top-tier equipment and eco-friendly products to provide exceptional results every time. We handle everything from daily cleaning tasks to deep cleaning services, ensuring every corner of your facility is spotless. No job is too big or too small for U.S. Janitorial Services. Our highly trained staff is committed to maintaining the highest standards of cleanliness, creating a healthy environment for your employees and customers. We work around your business hours with flexible scheduling options to minimize disruptions. Need specialized services like carpet cleaning, floor care, or disinfecting? We've got you covered. We offer comprehensive solutions to keep your space looking its best. Let us handle the cleaning while you focus on growing your business. Call us today at 800-210-6069 or visit https://usjservices.com/service areas Louisville to learn more and schedule your free consultation.